The one you've all been waiting for. We got all 6 packs right here. We got another one this morning. And something new we've all been waiting for. This Experience Stars pack opening. Yeah. Let's set the packs right here. First pack. There's a chance you could get a Rainbow Rare Charizard V-Star, or you could get a Charizard V All Art. Okay? These are the chances you could get. Hit that like button and click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can you get notified me to make another video like this. I might get another Pokemon board, whatever, I don't know. But we have nothing going wrong yet in me. Oh, heck yeah. And a regular V card Aggron. Not bad, not bad. You got the barrel reverse too. And the Aggron and V. A regular V card. You want some? You got Aggron V.
Oh, I thought you were gonna. Okay.
Aggron V for start.
Awesome.
I'm recording the video, okay?
Okay.
So real quick, comment section below. What was your favorite card? I will. Next. Now. Okay, there's a chance. Cleansing Gloves reversed and a non-hollow. Heck yeah. But, not heck yeah, but. Heck yeah, we got a V card earlier, but it's not just going like that. My mind says. And just for listening, not get angry about this. Ultra Ball reverse, and I know it's just a non-hollow. Okay. So, I've never seen a pack that has had a Arceus on there, but that means something is going on. And then, ooh, a Zekrom Trainer Gallery and a non-hollow. A Zekrom Trainer Gallery. Not bad. What a great pull. Oh, no, oh. No. That was pretty cool. Maybe $1 or $2. Let me know in the comments. Maybe something else. Let's go. Best pull ever. Okay. If we can get those Charizard, leave a like and subscribe. I think we're gonna get it. Or no. I'm not. As if we do, because I'm not. Ooh, Alexio reversed and a non-hollow. One more pack. Ooh, another Zekrom. That's a duplicate and left of a hollow. Okay. We got another one. Another one of these Zekroms. Everyone. Didn't get any Charizards, but still pretty good. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.